Hello, sir. How are you?
I am good, ma'am. How are you?
I'm also pretty well. And thank you so much for asking me.
Yeah, and first of all, I'm not controlling means I cannot control myself to speak that you have got such a cute smile. Yeah, that's a nice dedication you have, and if we have the clear dedication and determination, so definitely we can achieve our goal. Anything. Okay, so very nice to know about you, and I'm so happy. So it's time to introduce myself right now. So my name is Arun Kumar. Basically, I'm from UP district Bagpat. By profession, I'm an English teacher, and I'm running a YouTube channel as well, name called Learning English with AK. I have so many hobbies like playing guitar, singing, listening music, traveling. Yeah, that's it for me. Thank you.
That's nice. That's nice. You are an English teacher.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. So, sir, means, could you tell your qualification?
I am graduated only. I could not
Oh,
complete.
that's nice. That's nice. So, that what is the purpose behind this learning this language, and how did you learn this language? So, did you face any type of difficulty learning for this language?
I faced so many difficulties like everyone faces. Okay, first question was why did I learn English? I tell you. Actually, I was the Hindi medium student. I completed my all education from Hindi medium, and till my 12th, I was zero in English. Honestly speaking, when I shifted in Delhi for job purpose, so got a job, and that was in retail, right? So I used to work over there. Then the customers used to come over there for shopping shake, and I used to sell the merchandise. Yeah. So one day, what happened? One child came with his family, and he started speaking English with me, and I was unable to understand. So he spoke 10 or 20 lines, means 10 lines combined, and I was unable to understand that. I was speaking, brother, Hindi में बात कर लो भाई नहीं आती मुझे. And he started insulting me that, oh, you are unable to speak English. What are you doing here? You should know this English language. Then only you can just survive over there. So I just thought, okay, because of English, he is insulting me. This is the main reason, and English is everything. So means I felt some means hurted, and I left that job. So I just went to the American Institute of English Language. Coaching center was there in Delhi. So I just joined that, and my teacher told me that means I told him, sir, I would be there for 8 hours because I left my job and I'm living here without my family. He denied me that I cannot permit you. But I just requested him, sir, this is my condition and please allow me. So he allowed me and he took one condition also. That what was the condition that after completing your course, you will have to teach here 6 months free of cost.
Okay.
I said okay. I said okay. So within 3 months, I completed my English, and within 3 months means after 3 months, I started teaching this English language in that same institute.
That's a good opportunity, and also, yeah, you means you gave the means your precious time, and these are things I also faced same problem, but it was a scenario, it was a different scenario with me when yeah, I went in a play school for interview. So that was a play school, and I had means graduation degree, and also I was appearing in MA. So when I show to my resume, and also that it is my document, so they told me, first of all, I was not good in English. So at that time, this time I'm not also a good in English in this language, but that time I was so much poor. So So they said me that no, no, we will not consider you, and you have a degree, CCS degree. It's a jali degree. If I say that, how do you how much do you have experience? Means for you are so showing the experience 3 to 4 4 years. How can we consider you? That means you didn't go college and you didn't learn anything. So that time I felt so means so means felt means poor. I felt so poor. So I took decision that no, this I will have to, firstly I will have to learn this language, and then I will have to complete B.Ed. I will have to take admission in B.Ed. But after that I joined in another coaching, and I was learning only. And I also went in Lakshmi Nagar. Have you heard? Yeah, Lakshmi Nagar, British Express. So that was the one coaching that I learned this language. I think 3 to 4 months it was the course. But when I didn't also means take seriously that if we are not learning anything, we are going anywhere and we are spending money, that we are thinking that I am spending money, that means I will learn this language, and I will learn dance, cooking, anything. But I'm not taking interest, and I'm not having and craving all the things. So how can I learn? I was going there, and I was sitting there, and I was speaking so, I was speaking only sentences and doing something, whatever I was doing. But after it was the learning time, that was the COVID-19. So I took decision, no, 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 this time I will have to learn this language. Because I spent a lot of time, I wasted a lot of time, and also I spending money, a lot of spending money I wasted it, because I was thinking that I will learn everything because I am spending the money. That was my illusion, biggest illusion. So yeah, FEA, I joined from FEA, that is the Freedom Academy, and it was a free of cost. I joined in between. So the course has been completed. Then 3 to 4 months, after 4 months, that I joined in another batches, and also online batches I joined there. So I was not taking seriously, I was not taking seriously since last 3 to 4 years, but 4 years, but last 4 to 5 months, recently last 4 to 5 months, I took decision, no, means I have done everything, I have wasted a lot of time, but I will have to do something. Otherwise my degrees, my experience, it will be wasted. Everything, it will waste if I'm not taking seriously, and if I'm not making consistency. Because I come from also Hindi medium. My totally environment was the Hindi medium. So my students were also come from Hindi medium. My family members, they do not also understand English. This totally environment. So how can we brush up this skill? So yeah, this time I'm making consistency. Whenever I get time, I talk with different people. And also you also made a one video with Sudhanshu sir. First
Yeah.
video he made one video, Sudhanshu sir, that he was also my mentor.
Hmm.
Yeah, so these are the things that now I'm learning, and I'm following these activities. So I will say one thing, that I wasted a lot of time, that I was keep remembering in my mind that yeah, I will learn everything, but I wasted a lot of time, because I was not doing anything by myself. I was going there, and means 10 to 15 minutes. That how much time will you get if you are going anywhere, and they are giving 1 hour, okay, and 20 students, they are sitting in a in a one class. So how much time will you get? Only 10 minutes, 5 minutes you will get. So how much will you learn? If you are not, uh, firstly we need to enjoy whatever we are learning anything. So firstly we need to enjoy and whatever you are learn, you are comfortable reading. If you are the part of you are reading anything, doesn't never go with long story. You will have to read only one paragraph, only small story, small anecdote. You we will have to start. Don't go with any podcast, long podcast. I will not share, I will not suggest that you will have to spend 20 minutes, 30 minutes. No. If you will start a long journey, definitely you will feel bored. So you will 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Firstly we need to be comfortable, we need to be keep our mind and means it's taking a seriously. No, I have to learn. Why do we want to learn this language? Firstly we have to clear our goal.
Yes. Yes, this is the main thing. In my point of view, this is the main thing because okay, let me tell you one thing that if you are traveling and you really don't know that you where you have to go, so what is the matter to traveling or
Yes,
maybe why you are traveling? So if destination is not there and means the where you want to go, you don't know, so what is the matter? What is the thing you are doing? Why you are doing? So clear mindset is very important. First of all, let us decide that yes, I am going to learn this language, and until I will not learn, unless I will not stop myself. This is the first
yes,
thing.
yes,
And now the second thing is patience. If you do not have the patience, so you will not learn. You cannot learn because it is not the one time, 1 day game, 2 day game. It is a long time process. You have to invest your time for speaking and learning. Then only it will be possible that you will be speaking English fluent, right? So the two things are there, and the third thing is consistency, which you told that you were going your coaching centers and you were wasting your time, but you are not serious, right? That's why the reason that you did not learn that time. Now you are consistent and you are practicing a regular basis. That's the only reason that you are improving your English and you are brushing up your English. That's why you are able to speak. So the three things were there, right? And if I talk about the fourth thing, so the fourth thing is mistakes will be there. Do not afraid from the mistakes, and by the mistakes you are going to learn it. And challenges will be coming. Do not fear that challenges are coming. Oh, how can I deal with this? How can I change with these kind of problem? No, because you were in your comfort zone. Now you are coming out of your comfort zone. So whenever we just come out of our comfort zone, we have to face the challenges, and challenges make you good and fluent as well. Like for an example, like people speak that I want to become the sun, like a sun shines, right? But before shine like a sun, you have to burn yourself like a sun, right?
yes.
So this is the main thing in my point of
Yeah.
view.
And thank you. And if someone is means insulting you, like that means we are feeling insulting that someone is raising a question that it's a fake degree. So prove yourself. No need to prove to themselves, but need to prove yourself that why did they say, why did uh, say that like that. That if you have a potential to do anything, so firstly need to brush up your skills and work on yourself. If you are working on yourself, that you are not working, you are not keep going and improving yourself, not you are not working to anyone. We are doing we are doing work for ourselves, not to anyone, because these skills will work only for us, and they will provide they will provide to anything for us, not to anyone.
Yeah. And today I'm thankful that that boy that he insulted me. Because of that, I just became the teacher. Right? By default, I became. But yes, for this is the main reason I became that boy. Right?
So yeah, and thank you so much. Yeah, I want to ask one thing that please give me feedback. Where did I make mistake, and where do I need to so much work on these skills? Because you are a teacher, so definitely you were observing me a lot. That so. Uh,
So, if I just rate,
I just rate your English 7 out of 10. Why 7 out of 10? Because 3 marks, why I just cut, you have to work on your grammar. Because grammatically mistakes are there, and do not take it negatively. Because I am a teacher,
okay.
I was just noticing these things. So work on your grammar, and without grammar, yeah, of course you are speaking good. But yes, if you will focus only little bit of grammar. I just give you the example and what kind of topic you should complete. Present
Okay.
indefinite, present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, past indefinite, past continuous, and future indefinite. These 6 topics are enough. If you will focus and command on these 6 topics, definitely you will not do any kind of mistakes in your grammar as well. So just focus on these things. And otherwise, apart from this, you have a lot of confidence as well, smiley face you have, and your fluency is also good. But yes, little things are there. We have to improve.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, I want to say one thing that I know these are the rules, but while speaking at that time, I I get stuck, and also I make mistake. Sometime I keep remember in my mind that I will have to work in these things, but while speaking time at that time I forget everything, and I do not focus on these things that I will have to keep remember. So yeah, definitely next time we will meet here, and also I will keep remember these things.
Very good, and that's a very good determination you have, and dedication. Yeah, I will say dedication. So much dedicated you are, and definitely you will be speaking, or you will be fluent very soon because you are working on this, and you are practicing also. So practice makes everyone perfect. Okay, ma'am. So I think this time.
Okay. Yeah. And
Thank you so much for giving me your precious time because I had been waiting for you for so long. So thanks a lot, and keep means yourself. Take care yourself, and it was a lovely session I had with you. I enjoyed a lot.
yeah, I enjoyed a lot. Also, I thank you so much for giving your precious feedback. And yeah, I will keep remember, and I will work on these things, and I will observe these things that I will while speaking time, that I will keep remember that which sentence that I will also should miss keep remember that where should I use these things. So yeah, definitely I will work on it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Okay, ma'am. Have a great day.